On a planet set adrift from any star, the night sky glows, bright enough to read by, even with no sun to rise. Most imagine a rogue planet as drenched in blackness, but the Milky Way itself lights its surface with a ghostly galactic twilight. A rogue planet is a world wandering alone between stars, with no sun to anchor its orbit, lost in endless interstellar night. These worlds never know sunrise or sunset. The only light is the soft shimmer of billions of distant stars and the Milky Way's haze. Astronomers measure this faint night using integrated starlight, around 22 to 23 magnitudes per square arc second along the galactic plane. It might sound dim, but it's actually brighter than a perfectly dark sky, producing a ghostly glow, never completely black. If you stood on such a planet with no atmosphere or pollution, the galaxy's glow would be enough to cast faint shadows on the ground. But just how common are these lonely worlds? Surveys suggest there are nearly 2 Jupiter-sized rogue planets for every star in the Milky Way. Some studies push the numbers even further, possibly up to 100,000 times as many rogue worlds as stars. That's trillions of planets adrift. The largest group discovered so far lies in Upper Scorpius Ophiuchus, where at least 70 and up to 170 free-floating planets roam. These young planets, 4 to 13 times Jupiter's mass and 3 to 10 million years old, still glow faintly in the infrared from their formation heat. On the other end, the smallest confirmed rogue planet so far is Ogle 2016 BLG 1928, discovered in 2020, about the mass of Earth. This tiny world revealed itself by bending a background star's light for just 40 minutes, a blink in cosmic time. Between stars, the vast gulfs stretch about 4 light years on average. A rogue planet spends eons alone in these dark reaches. Even so, these worlds speed around the galaxy at 220-240 kilometers per second, matching the sun's own galactic orbit. What's the temperature like? For most, it's frigid, just 3 Kelvin or minus 270 degrees Celsius, barely a notch above absolute zero. Exception: young and massive rogues can stay hundreds of degrees above that, still cooling off after their tumultuous births. The rogue planet's sky is 10 times dimmer than the darkest natural night on Earth, but far brighter than the cosmic microwave background. Picture a world with no moon, no airglow, only starlight and the Milky Way's band sweeping across a black velvet sky. Astronomers spot rogue planets thanks to gravitational microlensing, a brief, bright flash as a planet bends and magnifies a distant star's light. A star produces a microlensing signal lasting weeks or months, but a rogue planet's event usually lasts just hours or days. Why does this matter? Rogues are natural experiments. They help scientists test theories for how planets form and sometimes escape their stars. Some form in disks and are ejected by gravity, others may collapse out of gas clouds like lightweight stars. Rogues exist by both routes. If the high estimates are right, these stray planets make up a big chunk of the galaxy's normal matter, hidden but present everywhere. Microlensing shows that mass bends light, direct proof of Einstein's predictions, and a unique tool for measuring invisible objects. Sometimes stars capture rogue planets, shaking up their systems and possibly delivering watery worlds into habitable zones. The James Webb Space Telescope is finding new rogue planet candidates, some as light as a few Earth masses, some with their own debris disks. Future missions like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will refine the numbers, hunting for hundreds more, down to Mars-sized planets. All of this points to a universe where loner planets roam in soft twilight, outnumbering the stars and lighting their own mysterious way. On a rogue planet, the dark is never complete. Even alone in the cosmic void, the galaxy itself is your sky's eternal lantern. That's your Cosmic Bite for today. Tap subscribe. I've got a fresh space fact for you every single day.